Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Google Chrome is not displaying in full screen on your PC or laptop. If you're opening Chrome and it isn't showing any maximize or minimize options, this video will guide you through a simple solution. First, look at your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Locate the Google Chrome icon on your taskbar. Now, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, while still holding Shift right-click on the Google Chrome icon. A menu will appear with several options like Move, Size Minimize, and Maximize. Click on Maximize and you should now see your Google Chrome window expand to full screen. That's all there is to it. This simple trick should help you restore Google Chrome to full screen. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.